check this out. We are out at the Greenworks commercial booth here at GIE, and everything here is powered. That's an 82 volt system. It's not using the same 82 volt batteries, but it's an 82 volt system with those zero turns. It's quiet. There's no noise. I mean, we're talking battery powered. There's a battery powered tractor right there. We've got the zero turns here, and they have got their side by side, that UTV right there. We'll catch them as they come around here. Nice, quiet. Nothing at all. No sound whatsoever. And some great maneuverability. This is a new unit here at the show. Greenworks Pro with battery-powered lawn equipment.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.